Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Juliet. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make Ayamase.
I like it like that. I like it like that. I like it like that.
In my blender I have onions, ginger and garlic. I'll blend to smooth to marinate the meat. I'll be using chicken, Kpomo, beef and eggs. After stirring properly, don't add any water. Cover it and let it boil. It's after 10 minutes, I will stir again and add water. These are the pepper that I'll be using today: red bell pepper, green bell pepper and onions. I'll go ahead and wash them and pieces them for easy blend. Don't blend it too smooth, just crush them to the size that you think you are okay with. I'm trying to make sure I get good amount of the juice out of the pepper because we don't need too much water. The meat has been boiling for 45 minutes. After 20 minutes of boiling the meat, I added my Kpomo. I will be using red oil. Cover the pot for the oil to bleach a little bit. This is the color that you want your oil to be. Pour in some sliced onions, crayfish, iru, also known as locust beans. Add the pepper blend and keep stirring to avoid burn. I'll be changing my pot soon because stainless steel is not my favorite pot to cook with. Add some of the meat juice. We need the juice for the pepper to cook. Add the meat. I'll be adding some eggs as well. What is Ayamase without eggs? At this point, cook on low heat. Add some seasoning. Test it before you add some seasoning. Add more juice, not too much. Stir carefully so you don't break the eggs. Cover and cook for 20 minutes on a low heat because we need the meat to soak into the stew and the stew to soak into the meat as well. Stir together and it's ready. I have fried my plantain and my Ofada rice is ready as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.